Are you looking to keep everyone in the loop without overwhelming their inbox? Today, I'm going to show you how to CC in Gmail and share some practical tips to make your email communication smarter and more efficient. CC, or carbon copy, is a simple but powerful tool. It lets you send a copy of your email to people who need to stay informed without making them the primary recipients. This is perfect for work emails, team updates, or even personal messages where multiple people need to be aware of the conversation. Let's dive in. First, open Gmail and click the Compose button on the left side of your screen. A new email window will pop up, ready for you to draft your message. In the To field, type the email addresses of your primary recipients. These are the people who need to act on or respond to your email. Now, for the magic of CC. Look for the CC button to the right of the To field. Click it, and a new field will appear where you can type the email addresses of anyone you want to keep informed. People in the CC line receive a copy of your email, but they aren't expected to reply. It's perfect for transparency and keeping everyone on the same page. Gmail will even suggest contacts as you type, making it quick and easy if the emails are saved in your contacts. And just like that, your CC is set up, helping you communicate clearly and efficiently. Using CC properly can improve your email workflow, save time, and ensure everyone stays informed without confusion. Experiment with it in your next email, and you'll see just how helpful it can be. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more Gmail tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Happy emailing!